Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Aradhita jadi hari sabasata taktim. If you have been able to worship Krishna, then there is no need of any more austerities, penances, because to self-realize or to know God, there are so many processes, austerities, penances. Sometimes we go to the forest to see where is God. There are different processes. But the Shastra says that actually, if you are worshipping Krishna, aradhita jadi hari, stavasa tatakti, then there is no more need of your undergoing severe penances and austerities. And naradhita jadi hari, stavasa tatakti. And ultimately, after undergoing severe austerities and penances, if you do not know what is Krishna, then what is the use? It is useless. Naradhita jadi hari sabasata. Antarvahi jadi hari sabasata takti. Similarly, if you can see 24 hours Krishna within and without, then that is the end of all tapasya. So here Krishna says, Kunti says, that although Krishna is within and without, because we haven't got the eyes to see him, alaksham, not this. Just like Krishna was present in the battle of Kurukshetra, only the 5 Pandavas, just like and their mother Kunti, they could understand that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Lord. And few others. So even though Krishna was present, somebody talking about ordinary human being, abhijananti manamura, manasim tanuvanasana, because he was very kind to the human society, he became personal. Still, because they had no eyes to see him, they could not see. Therefore Kunti says, alaksham, you are not visible. Although you are antarbahi, sarvabhutana, not that antarbahi of the devotee. Everyone's heart Krishna is situated. Ishara sarvabhutana, hriddesh. Pointing out, hriddesh, here in the heart, Krishna is there. Now therefore, meditation, yoga principle is how to find out Krishna within the heart. That is called meditation. So Krishna's position is always transcendental. If we accept this transcendental process, Krishna consciousness, regulative principle, and try to become free from sinful life, because you cannot see Krishna or understand Krishna while you are practicing all sinful activities. Then it is not possible. Navam duskidunam mudha prabhaddante naradhana. Those who are duskritima. Kriti means merit, meritorious, but duskritima. But merit is applied for sinful activities. So, we therefore request this is not request, this is our, rules and regulations, that one must be free from the sinful activities. The sinful activities, the 4 pillars of sinful life are illicit sex life, meat eating, intoxication and drug. So, our students are advised, not advised, they must follow, otherwise they will fall down. Because a sinful man cannot understand God. On one side we should practice the regulative principles and the devotional process. Another side, we should avoid sinful activity. Then Krishna is present and you can talk with Krishna, you can deal with Krishna. Krishna is so kind. Just like Kunti is talking with Krishna as her nephew, similarly you can talk with Krishna as your son, as your husband, as your lover, as your friend, as your master, as you like. So, I am very glad to see the Chicago temple. They are doing very nice, and the hall is also very nice. So go on with your service attitude and realize Krishna, then your life will be successful. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,